Hi everyone. So we're going to create style sheets using instructions this time. In the previous activity they gave us the code to use, but in here they say we need to create this from the instructions. So create a style sheet for use by a web page. The styles for this style sheet are as follows: black serif font, 28 point, center aligned, bold. We're going to include all of this in here. So we already created the previous style sheet, and they actually said that we can load the web page created in the last activity. So we can just change a few of the characteristics there. So in H1, instead of red, we're just going to say black, and serif font. So we have sans serif over here, so we're just going to say serif, and then times, and then New Roman, New times New Roman. So I can just take that one out. Times New Roman, and they say it's 28, and it should be center aligned. So we have center, and font weight should be bold. Perfect. So for H2 it should be red, and it is serif font. So we have serif times New Roman, and it should be 20 big, and it should be center aligned as well. So we're just going to say center, and then font weight we're going to say is italic. Okay, and then H3 is green, and it's sans serif, and it should be 12, and it should be right aligned this time. Right aligned. And for the list, the color should be black, and then they said it should be sans serif. We have sans serif. The size should be 10. We have 10. The square bullets, so instead of circle we're gonna say square, and it should be left aligned, so we have that. Next, the paragraphs should be blue, and we want serif font, so we have serif times New Roman, and the font size should be 10, and it should be left aligned. Perfect. So we are just going to save this as style sheet activity 4. Oh, we can just put that in activity 4, and then we can just actually say this is style sheet activity 4. Just save that, and then we can also load this HTML page, and we can save it as in activity 4. They say we can just say style sheet activity 4. Style sheet activity 4. Okay, and in here we just want to attach the style sheet in activity 4. Okay, let's see how this is going to look like. This is heading 3, this is heading 2. Perfect. Oh, and then I see that I messed up. We wanted the header 2 to be italic. There we go. So it's italic. Let's see why it doesn't want this one to be italic. Italic. Okay, so I have it as italic, and I just want to make sure with the code CSS there isn't anything weird in here, except we have two links in here that create style sheets. But the rest is fine. It is making everything that we need. And then they say load your browser and load the third web page with a style sheet. Oh, this is what we had to call this. Change one of the instructions in the web page now is a style sheet file name. Okay. Oh, so this must be third web page with a style sheet. I didn't save this correctly. So save, and this should be called third web page with a style sheet. This is what this one should be called. Okay, so let's just open that to see if it works. There we go. So everything is in here. Yes, perfect. Okay, so just remember that I also want a proof of everything that you have done. So just open that web page. You take a screenshot. So now I'm just going to replace that one, and this is going to be a bit bigger since it is right aligned, so it's going to take the entirety of the width of the page. And now for our HTML code, we're in the HTML here, we say view, we say code, and then you can see everything there, print screen, and we just paste that over this one. Okay, and we also want to show top part there. There we go. Okay, so it's nice and big, I can still read it. Maybe not do that. Okay, it's still on one page. And then this one, we're gonna show this code. Okay. So now we have the CSS code, we have the HTML, and we also have a proof of how the website should look like. So I hope this video helps, and enjoy the rest of your day.